Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So here we go with the new app that name is Moon Phrase Viewer. Okay, today is a live test video. I will show only the code and the design. If you want, I will show whole thing with details. Then text me in the comment box or like it. Here we go. So here is the designing of the screen. First we have to name it as main screen. I write it as main because it is enough for us to understand. And here is one of the label file. Here is text input as name it as text, which is easier to us to code, right? Here is the button which says click to see the moon phrase. Here is the image. We're changing through when we write numbers here. I will show you the block section. Here we go. If it's not visible, I will do it. Yeah. Here is something that when moon button is clicked. When moon button is clicked means when this button is clicked. This one. See? Then the web app URL will join us with this link and round seconds since 1970 because it's the code which tells us the moon phase in everyone's numbers. Then we call and get the response status. If there is an error, then we have to tag image or picture in the next day section. There is text input right .png. There is the text behind it. So let's see the live test. Wait. Let's see the live test. Here we go. We have to type a number. For example, I type 5. See, it shows, and the last full moon has 14 phase number. See, it will work 10. It's not the remaining only 14. It's come after it. If there is next number, then it comes this side. 20. Let's do 28. There is moon. I guess I'm guessing while it as 14 plus 14 is 28 and 7 plus 4. Yeah. There is for today enough. So please like this video and share it to your friends. And I am coming up next with a new video of my Silicon Valley project. Okay, bye bye. Till then, happy learning. Stay safe.